command line argument. So if you want to basically take the input at runtime, and what is the meaning of the input at runtime? It means कि when you pass the input at the runtime, that means the running of the program. When you run your program, at that time you pass the input. For example, if you write a command javac then space then file name dot java, that is the compilation time. But after that, when you write java space class name, at that time you will pass the input. Now we can see a small program. Here you can see this string args array. It is used for command line argument. That means with the help of this array, you can take the input at runtime. So in this program, I am just writing args of 0. That means I will print the first index. Suppose I pass n number of elements in the string array, but it will print only one. That is in the first index. Now I'm just save program. Now you can see. Javac scanner2 dot java. Here you don't need to write the import java.util.star because I am not using scanner class. Now write java scanner. If you are not passing any input, then it will throw an exception, that is the class not found. Sorry. That the class name scanner2 they are not accepted because why? Because I am accessing the args of 0 and it will not found in the scanner2. That means it is not reading this value. So for that, what we need to write javac scanner2 and then you can pass values like this. Now you can see invalid flag. Now if you want to change, then use again. It is showing the error. Why this error? Can you tell me? First I am taking integer, then I am taking string value, and in the both cases this is showing the error. This error comes not because of we are passing integer or we are passing string value, because at the first time these 1 2 3 4 were also counting as the string. But the reason this error comes is that now you can see here this. Now if you are writing java scanner2, because here I am not compiling, here I am just interpreting my code. That's why we don't need to write javac. Now it is printing first argument is 1. Suppose if you want to print args of 4, save. Here you can see that I am passing only 3, 0, 1, 2, but there is no args 4. Then what will happen? First compile, then run java scanner2 1 2 3. Array index out of bound exception, because we are going to fetch 4th index, but there is only we can found 2nd index 0 1 2. For 0 there is 1, for first index that is 2, and for second index that is 3. So if you want to fetch Fourth index, then you need to find write some values. Now you can see the fourth index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and fourth index has the element 5, then it will print 5. Like this you can use this program. Suppose you want to print all the elements. If you want to print all elements, then what you need to do, your array is stored in this args, and to print all array elements you need to write a loop statement. So here I am writing a looping statement. Loop will run from 0 to the length of the array, because dot length will gives the total number of elements, how many elements are in the array. So if we pass 7 elements, then it will take the length to 7. If we write 5 elements in the array at the runtime, then it will count the length as 5. And then with the help of this method, we will print this array. Now save this program. Java C scanner2.java. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you want to write something like this, then again it will print elements are. You can print integer values, string values. You can also print the character values. Suppose I have integer variables, then how we can access these integer variables? One thing you need to keep in your mind, that if you are this string auth array, it will return the string. And if you want some integer values, that means you need to perform some operation, which for that we need some integer variables. Like in this example, I am going to add two numbers. So if I am performing this operation on the string variables, then it will concat. But I'm that at that time we need to convert these strings into integer. For that there is a concept of wrapper class. How we can use wrapper class I will explain in later in the upcoming lectures, but because we need a one function, so we can use that function also here. So for that, suppose string asks, it is a string array and I am going to add two numbers. So I am just taking a, b integer number to add two numbers and then sum to produce the sum. In the a equal, if I am writing args of 0, that means that it will occupy the first position, but that position is the string position, not a integer position. So for that we need to convert this string into the integer. For that I am writing here integer dot parseInt 0 and then integer dot parseInt args of 1. Then sum is equal to a plus b, and then I am printing sum is equal to the values and then the output. Now see, Java C scanner2.java. Compilation successful. Then Java scanner, then write 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think? What will be the output? Here you can see. I am fetching 0 and 1, not others. So 0 is 1 and 1 is 2. That means 1 plus 2, that is 3. If I am writing arc position third, and here I am writing second. Now you can see, first compile the code, then again 5, 6. You are assuming third and second. So 0, 1, 2. Second is 3, third is 4. That means 3 plus 4. That is 7.